everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pinterest account if you don't want to use it anymore. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can easily delete your Pinterest account by opening up a web browser and logging into your Pinterest account, or you can also open up your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Pinterest, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. From the profile page, tap the three dots at the top right. In the pop-up at the bottom, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Account Management. You'll be able to see a button that says Delete Your Data and Accounts. Give it a tap and tap on the Continue button on the next page. Select one of the regions where you are trying to leave or delete the account and tap on Send Email. You'll need to verify your email address in order to delete your account, so go ahead and open up your email service provider associated with Pinterest and open up the email received from Pinterest in your email inbox. Select Yes, Delete Account, and soon after you do that, you'll be taken to a web browser. It says that you have now successfully deleted your account. Remember that once your account is deleted, it cannot be restored and all of your boards, pins, and likes will be permanently removed. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.